Alright, can hear? Okay, good. Hello everyone and welcome to my screenshot recording. It's from Bandicam. Bandicam is a um, software that you can use to screenshot yourself in a screen recorder. So today's going today's screenshot video is gonna be a tutorial on how to do the Therap for Easter seals. So if you are a new Easter seals worker and want to work at Easter seals and you're trying to do the Therap, I can show you how to do it. But right now at Easter seals they have little bit short hours, and due to the COVID, the ADH is not open. There is no ADH programs for the client for both Easter seals and Goodwill, and they're not taking any clients in right now. So, but they do have PA service. So it's the end of November. So and Thanksgiving coming to Christmas time. So if you want to have PA services, you can go to Easter Seals. Easter Seals is the best place. And if you are a PA and don't know how to do the Therap, I can show you on how to do it. So hang on here. So for the first step, for any computer work that you do, when you're doing the printing out documents or doing a resume or any computer work where you're working at Easter Seals doing the Therap, which I'm going to show you how to do that. Um, Make sure your machine is updated. So control panel and Windows update. We'll get to that in a minute. So first thing, you open your browser. Now that Microsoft is going to stop using um, Internet Explorer, because now we have Microsoft Edge is the new browser. Well, the only reason people use Internet Explorer if they're gonna print out documents or save certain web pages or anything like that, or if you're gonna enroll for something online, that's the only thing they're gonna use Internet Explorer for. Because well, Internet Explorer is still gonna be there, but if you want to use previous versions of Windows, you're gonna have to um, somehow get a old version installation disk and reinstall if you want to run previous programs, because now that Microsoft is updating, everything's changing with computers. So um, it is what it is. Um, so if you're working at Easter Seals, I'm going to show you how to do it, how to do the Therap. So you open your browser. Either you can use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. So let's use Edge. Well, this is a Microsoft device, so hang on, let's wait for this thing to open. Yeah, my computer been on for a while. I've been on since last night. I was streaming last night. Yeah, I'm a streamer. Anyway, well, this Bandicam screenshot video, you only can do a 10-minute video unless you register for a um. I don't really need that. So now that you click on Google. Anytime you do Therap, you might want to do it on Google because that's the recommended search. So you type in Google and you hit Therap. So Therap has a new feature called billing. So if you don't get that in, you're not going to get paid when you work at Easter Seals. Come on, type words, keyboard. Keyboard getting a little cuckoo here. Cuckoo vein. There we go. Okay, Therap login. So once you type Therap login, it's gonna show right here. And you can watch videos too on how to do it. MC. Look. Hey, look, I'm famous now. There's like my video from like 2018. I did this video for Therap. Oh, good, I'm famous. Anyway, so I got 1K viewers. All right. Oh, good. That's good. So can go on YouTube and watch my recent videos of Therap for Easter seals. Even though I don't work for them, but I'm a computer freak, so why not? So you hit the Therap login page, then it's gonna show your name, login name. Excuse me, I'm talking too loud. Sorry. Your login name, password, and provider code. So when you're working at Easter Seals, they're gonna tell you to put in your login name. So you put your name, password. The default password for Easter Seals is Hawaii 12. I don't know if it's that password. I don't know if they will change it. So, and the one we only get 7 minutes, so we gotta keep going. So, can we pause it? No, cannot. So, the login. Log in your password and provider code. ESH. And hit login. So we don't want to save wrong passwords. So it says here, okay, we have 2 minutes because this video only can go up 10 minutes. So you set password. So if you forgot your password, contact your provider. Check if caps lock, cookies enabled. Make sure if your security preferences is correct, and make sure it's fixed. So yeah, and that's how you do the Therap. So let's go up quick first. Okay, so we gotta do this quick because we only have 2 minutes. So, and when you're doing the Therap, and before you do any kind of important computer work, first you go in Control Panel and update your machine. So, you can go in from PC settings. You want to use the actual PC setup. So, you click, darn it, mouse. You go on Windows Update. Okay. You have less than a minute. So, your device is up to date, even though you have to check for updates. So it's checking for updates, especially when you do the Therap and the Chronos. So I'm gonna have to end the video here, and I can continue on because it's almost 10 minutes. So there we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop it right here. So what's it doing? It's Windows malicious software removal tool. So what that does, it removes malicious apps from the from your browser, so it doesn't interrupt the program manager when you install it. So okay, sorry, computer being a little glitchy here. Hang on, just bear with me. So while that's installing, you always want to update your machine when you're doing the Therap for Easter seals, because it can cause problems. So Chronos, I can't teach you how to do that because it's a remote connection. I don't have enough. Okay. Oop, a little glitch. It's all good. Computer glitches happen sometimes. So while that's installing, it's gonna take time, so you have to wait. It's probably a big file, so you always want to read the print. So future update for Windows 10. The next version of Windows is here with new features, security improvements. Select download and installation, and it will update. Begin. After other updates in your query are completed, your device needs to restart. So once your device is done restarting, then you can get back to your work. So you go back in your browser. So this is the Therap. This is where you log in failed. So if it fails, either you have to contact your supervisor at Easter Seals, and the supervisor over there is Amanda. We have Tisha, Shelby, and the Melissa. But there is no ADH, just to let you know. There is no ADH program for both Easter Seals and Goodwill. So if you want to do so either your account not active or pending, cookies enabled, check the security preferences. So in your settings, which you might want to go here, so you have new tab, downloads, settings. So you go in settings, and it's going to open your settings, check your security preferences while doing the Therap. Even while doing the Chronos, you have to do that. So you have sync, manage your account, pay info, import browsing data, security. So that's what we're looking for, but it's not here. Right. See. How many SSD system? Doesn't say. So right here, cookies and permissions. So allow the site to read cookie. Also, while doing the Therap, you might want to block third-party cookie website. Third-party websites like GoDaddy, websites like torrent sites, and all that. So allow the following cookie to whatever to your device to prevent these being cleared on here. So clear browsing data. Always do that once in a while, and so oh computer, come on, don't glitch. Okay, so this is the Therap login page, and for easy access, whether just going in your browser, searching for it, you can get the app in the Play Store, not on Microsoft, but if you have an Android uh, or a Chromebook, if you have a Chromebook, you can do the Therap there, and they can walk you through it and do more. So on my recent Therap video for Easter seals, I got over 1,000K viewers, and that's good. Let's get those numbers up. So yeah, that's how you do this. Now for the Chronos is a bit different. So the Chronos for Easter seals, if you work there, um, you go in control panel and remote connection. That's only if you have two computers. Then you can so remote connection app. You hit that. Then once you do that, so it's gonna tell you. So if you're under Spectrum Business and you're working at Easter Seals and uh, you have to do these steps. So it says connect to a desktop and programs in your workplace. So this is what Easter Seals do when they have computers. They connect to a so so you have to enter your email address or connection URL. So like say you enter your email address, and once you get all that set up, the password for the remote connection for Easter Seals, if you work at Easter Seals, is Pomaikai2. Once you get that in, then you're ready to do the. Well, the only default way to do the Therap, if you go in, um, if you type, so for easy one, let's get this over with first. Just bear with me. So for easy access, so you can also reset your password. So if you forgot password, you hit that, and it will reset your password, put in the default name for Easter Seals, and then you're all set. Sorry, let's go back. We have 2 more minutes. So 3 more minutes actually. So you go on the top for easy access, go to the Therap homepage, and well, let's delete that. Take this out, take this out. So you drag this over here, put it on your desktop. So it's located on your desktop for easy access to Therap. So it's easier, so we can't delete that. We don't need it. Now comes to the Chronos. For the Chronos, you might have to do it default for. So open Internet Explorer, and this browser is the oldest browser in history since the early 90s, since Microsoft DOS. Oh, hi, hello. Thank you for the view. Thanks for coming in. Um, Doing a computer tutorial here. Thank you for coming in the stream. So, um, okay, this browser being kind of responsive, so always search everything on Google because you get easier access than Bing. Okay, go in there. Okay, we almost to 10 minutes, so we're gonna have to end this video here and do one more. So here we go. Hello, I'm back again. Sorry, because with this screenshot video app, you only can go 10 minutes, and that's a little short, so you can go like under 9 minutes on this one. So now for the Chronos is a bit different. You only can don't if you don't have a remote connection to another computer, you gotta do it by default. So, because since it's an old, so as you search it for Chronos, there's many different Chronos website. There's all kind of different versions of it. So, and you need to install Java while doing it. So, you hit this. Chronos is a time management system. So it says Chronos Workforce Login. So that's where you want to go. So there's different versions of it. Because it was open with um, Internet Explorer 8. You can watch videos on how to do it. So it's on YouTube. I didn't do much on these. So where's the so you can read the search here. It says, what is Workforce Ready? Okay, I'll explain it. Workforce Ready Chronos Workforce Ready is a cloud-based is a cloud-based solution applications for um, um, that provides a fully monitored integrated workforce management system. So it includes full-size, full-suite product of modules, and customers can choose what buy-based organization needs the workforce fully and affordable. So this is a Chronos Workforce Ready. That's what it's called. So we're looking for the login here. So we're not here to look at that. Where is it? So there's different versions. So we gotta look where to frick. I like doing these video tutorials because it's fun. Okay. So I think you sign in here. So I think this is the new version of the Chronos. This is what Eustachios does for their time management. So you just scroll down here. And it's gonna ask you to enter your info. So I don't think it's this one. Hold on. So if you're getting hard time searching for it, you can watch videos and maybe you gotta go by its version, what version they have. So let's see. You can download a PDF document for so if you look in here, they can show you how to um, okay, let's go in there real quick. So hit open. So remember to read this before opening files. A website wants to open a web content using the program that's associated with your associate with the application. So press allow. It's going to open. So this is what it is. So this is what they're going to tell you when you work at Easter Seals. So they're going to put the add new punches, amounts, all this. So this is the steps to log in. Okay, one, you have to open a web browser using Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Chrome, or Safari, or Edge. Enter the URL, enter your username and password. Then after once you log in and access the employee time card, it's going to tell you to do that. Then you have to follow these steps. And once you do all these, so this is the employee time card. This is where you have your hours, your time, and days you worked for Easter Seals. So let's go through the simple steps. Um, so one, open your browser, which is PC or Mac, and two, enter the URL to Kronos, enter your username, password, and click login. So it's like this. So it's 8.0. So let's search here, look for Kronos 8.0. I don't think it's up because before it was in Internet Explorer 8. So Therap staff login. Let me see what is this one. So this is how it looks like, just like this. This is how you sign in. User ID, and you enter your name like this, and password. I don't know what's the default password for Kronos, but I'm sure somebody at Easter Seals can help you if you work there. So Goodwill too. I don't know. Goodwill is only gonna do Therap when they get the chance to do it because it's more faster, saves time rather than printing out documents, doing the timesheet and all that, which is easy. So, but for this is the only default way to do the Therap if you're working at Easter Seals. So let's check if it's updating. So yeah, that's how you do it. Oops, let's see if it's updating. Okay. So that means the computer is up to date. So once you're done doing that, whether you're doing the Therap or any kind of important computer work, make sure you update your machine to um, to avoid any drive failure or any malicious problems. So and always check your antivirus too. So make sure you going Windows Defender, check it, and yep, so this video is from Bandicam. We want to thank Bandicam for putting this app together, and I'm going to stop my recording. Okay, testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 testing 1 2. Okay, we're ready. Hello everyone, good morning. It's Sunday morning and welcome to my Bandicam screenshot recorder. So this is the Bandicam app. You can it's a screenshot video software, but it's unregistered. So this is how you use it. You have your home settings, which is this, general settings, video setting, image if you want to take a screenshot, about the software. And I just downloaded it. It's an unregistered free trial version. You can register, but if you buy it, you might have to pay for it. So there are all kinds of settings. There's one for device recording mode where you connect your HDMI input. Uh, One is for gaming when you do but for that, for gaming, I need a capture card. Mel Smith told me that I need one of those. And this one is the screen recording mode only if you want to use it around the mouse. And one is for full screen mode if you want to go in just the full screen in itself, when you want to change the resolution or anything. But certain areas and settings are limited, so you can't do much without uh, registering the for this Bandicam stuff. Because a lot of when you download a lot of computer software, it's unregistered. When it says unregistered, you can't get the full um, action without registering for the software. So if you're using Bandicam or any other home-based screenshot video software, you will have to um, register for it. So if you want to get the software, you can click this register icon over here. You say if you want to buy now or register. So if you want to get this Bandicam registration, so one, you have to buy to remove the watermark on your video, purchase Bandicam and license from https://bandicam/buy. So this is um, the Bandicam site. So this is where you register for it. So you need an online connection to register for Bandicam. Your, e- your email address and your serial number needs to be registered in order to complete the setup. So um, if you hit the register now button, so so once you hit the register now button, you can put in your email or serial number. The serial number will be on top of the software. So, and you can get tips on how to use it. So there's online help, scheduled recording, and open your output folder location to tell where the file is and where the selected video is going. So if you need help recording on this, hit the help button. And okay, enough talking about that. What we here today, I'm gonna show you how to clean your device on your computer. So anytime when you delete files, especially when you finish doing the therapy for each the seals, you always want to clean up any unwanted files that you don't want on your hard drive. So mainly, well, you can hit the recycle bin, but the recommendation is to go in your disk cleanup, because that's fastest way. So when you're done doing your work on your computer, whether you're doing the Therap or the Therap for Easter seals and you're doing all that documents, make sure to delete any leftover files that you completed. Just this, your DirectX control. Let's see what is that. Just clean up files created by graphics. So you take that out. And delivery files for updates, recycle bin, and all that other junk. Temporary files, which is download through the internet. Well, you can clean system files unless necessary, unless you contact tech support, then um, um, or Microsoft support. Then the one can tell you if you gotta clean your system. Because every time when you, especially when you're doing the Easter seals report, you always want to clean your machine. So click yes, okay, then click delete files. You always want to check your drive before you do that, and hit delete. This will take out all the unwanted junk on your machine, and once you delete that, then that's how you can get it. So for Bandicam, if you want to get it, know how to use it, here's some online help. It's going to open in a browser. Hold on. Okay, we're going to stop this in a few minutes. So here are the steps you can look on Bandicam. So you look through all these, how to record a screen on your computer, your gameplay, HDMI or smartphone, and this is all the steps you need how to use it. And you can look up on any of these stuff. So yeah, so that's how you use your computer. And let's see what else we can talk about. We have a minute more. So, well, I can show you. I cannot show you how to get into Special Olympics because that Special Olympics does not have anything. So, if you want to register, you can go on their website and um, to yeah, and um, yeah. So that's all I get to talk about. So I'll let this recording go in a few minutes. So yeah, it's all good. So you can buy the Bandicam. I'll show you how much it is. So for one PC it's gonna cost $39.95. But if you get the more it is, you can get the deluxe version, but it's the best bet. So this concludes this recording and have a nice day.